Hello friends, today we are going to learn Ganpati Bappa. So we need two papers, origami papers or any papers which you have square. So let's start. First, handkerchief fold. Last time students we had learned last year we had learned camera. I think so many of the children must be remaining. So I want the step of that only. So see, this is a tippy tippy tip top. Okay, one more fold we need. So put from the back side your hand and just give the shape, okay, this way. And here we are going to put paper tape, or if you have any tape you can put it. Okay, see, nicely. See, I'm putting my hand and then getting the shape nicely. This you have to do manually. Once you get the shape, then just seal it. Okay, one more tape I will put in inside here. Okay, done. Now this portion is ready. Now for the same fold, okay, I'm going to do very quickly, very fastly. We had come till the tippy tip top portion. Now one more fold, the same way we are going to do. See, steps are same, just opening opposite side. Okay, open the opposite side. Now just this way. Okay, now open this way, go here, and on this line you are going to fold it. Okay, we are done this camera, right? I'm showing you that this is the camera step, but what we are going to do now, fold it like this. See how I'm folding, like this, joining the both the things. Now this is ready. Now fold little bit, so we will get the legs little bit, not too much. If you have the orange color paper extra, you can make this type of legs also. See, cutting, you can just join here. So, and you can give him any instrument also, so you can do that way also. So now take a paper tape. Okay, I'm just rolling it on the end of this way, and here I'm going to place this and then stick. So this way your Ganpati Bappa is ready. If you like, you can add the legs here, cutting the paper and add this legs also if you want. See, this way. See, I had folded now, I had removed because I want to stick this, so I'm going to stick in the corner. So this way, if you want, you can cut or just leave it like that only. See, I had cut two hands also, similar. See, this way. You can add also this if you like, otherwise you can keep like that only, just for extra look. I'm just going to stick this way. Okay, and The hands will be like that. This hand, modak wala hand. So this way you can have your, and just going to add just little bit lines. That's all, and some lines here also. So your Ganpati Bappa is ready. Enjoy, click your photo and send to me. Till then, take care, be safe.